I'm about to show you why Peanut is a true villain. I think we're going to go for a little tow. Any guess what it is? Just wait, you'll find out. This is what makes Peanut a true automotive villain. This is a Detroit 6.2 liter diesel hooked up to a TH400 transmission on a custom pallet, full exhaust, on a Harbor Freight trailer, and we're going to go haul it. Now I know Peanut can do this because I've already done it with Peanut. I've done it for 50 miles, but I want you to see that it can be done and why I'll never get rid of Peanut and why maybe you should think about getting yourself a Peanut. Now just remember, when towing with any vehicle, make sure you're within all of your rules and regulations. I said you could. I never said you should. Well, there's Peanut in a nutshell. Peanut is a card-carrying member of the automotive villainy fleet and will stay that way till it or I dies. If you'd like to see more of the crazy stuff we do with Peanut, leave your comments below. And as always, have fun, be safe, I don't know, don't kill each other, just be happy. That's all you need to do, is just be happy.